Gravity and motion and energy of motion. The motion of your vehicle is subject to the natural laws of motion. These laws include inertia, momentum, energy of motion, and gravity. In emergency situations, these natural laws can work for or against you. Describe how inertia affects your vehicle while going straight and while driving through a curve. Inertia, momentum, and energy of motion. The law of inertia. Objects that are at rest tend to stay at rest, and objects that are moving tend to keep moving. Inertia is keeping these cars at rest. For the cars to move, they must be acted upon by forces produced by the engine. Once the car is moving, inertia causes the car and everything in it to continue moving in a straight line at a constant speed until acted upon by another force. Here are the 3 examples of how inertia affects passengers and cars. As the car brakes, passenger moves forward. As the car accelerates, moves back. Around a curve, the car has a tendency to stay in that black straight line. You feel inertia when a car brakes rapidly. As the car slows down, inertia causes your body to continue to move forward. How does your body feel when your car brakes rapidly? What would happen if you were not wearing a seatbelt? How does inertia affect your body when a car speeds up rapidly? What causes that effect? How does inertia affect you when a car drives around a sharp curve? What causes that effect? Momentum is a tendency of an object to stay in motion or the inertia of an object in motion. The amount of momentum depends upon the object's weight and speed. Does the truck or the car have the most momentum? Identify factors that affect energy of motion. A moving object also has energy of motion or kinetic energy that changes in proportion to the weight of the vehicle. Does the truck or car have the most energy of motion? A vehicle's energy of motion is proportional to the square of its speed. Double your speed and your vehicle will have 4 times as much energy of motion and need 4 times as much distance to stop. Let's look at the little diagram over here. You got an empty truck going 25 miles an hour. It takes 15 feet to stop. You double the truck weight at 25 miles an hour. It takes 30 feet to stop. An empty truck at 50 miles an hour takes 60 feet to stop. Gravity is the force that pulls all things to the center of the earth. Gravity also acts on you and your car, causing your vehicle to lose or gain speed. What effect does gravity have on your car when driving uphill or downhill? How can you control speed if you're driving down this downhill stretch? Goes back to your gear selection. How does inertia affect your vehicle? How does inertia affect the passengers in your vehicle?